Can you explain the 5G private network part which you're not essentially talking about?
First of all, I think the 5G part of the private network part is only the access part. Right? It is largely factory automation. Factory automation, I'm 7, 8, maybe 9. But 5G playing a big part in factory automation, not so big. Because factory automation is about cloud, about IoT, and IoT may be accessed using fiber. If a machine needs to be automated, it will most likely have a power. If it can have a power, it can have a fiber. There is no better technology than fiber to give you low latency, high speed, and 5G is a wireless technology. Yes, if the IoT is moving, which could be like maybe a drone, maybe a MUV kind of a thing, then 5G will probably do something better. But 5G with low latency and slicing will solve some part of the problem, but not the whole part of the problem. So the whole part of the problem is very exciting, which is network automation, but 5G playing a pivotal role on it, not so much.